guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Fatma Rao and I'll be very pleased if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So today's video is about the Dalmatian 101 inspired nail look, and it is one of my favorite movies. So today I'm going to show how you can do it. So first of all, I'm using this white nail polish as the base color and I'm going to apply it on my nails. So I have applied the white nail polish. After that I'm going to let it dry for 5 minutes. So now I am taking this black nail paint and I am going to make some spots and shapes with it. Make sure you have a small amount of nail polish on the brush, otherwise you're going to create a mess. So this is how it looks. Now I'm taking this base coat and I'm going to apply on my nails to give a fine look. So this is it. I hope you guys liked the video. This is the final look of the Dalmatian 101 inspired nails. Don't forget to hit the like button if you loved this look. See you in the next video. Bye.